Do you ever look at your body with judgment instead of kindness? Do you feel disconnected from it, critical of it, or frustrated that it doesn't look the way you think it should? If you're ready to soften the way you see your body and begin building a kinder, safer relationship with it, this EFT tapping session is for you. I'm Mahesha Rice, a healer and a mindset coach, and I'm so glad you're here. This is your space to release, reconnect, and rise into your truth. Before we start, if this topic resonates with you, click the like button and help this video reach more people who need this work. Now, as always, before we begin, gently check in with yourself. On a scale from 0 to 10, how strong is the discomfort, judgment, or disconnection you feel towards your body right now? 10 being intense self-criticism or shame, and 0 being complete love and acceptance. Just notice your number without judgment and we'll return to it at the end. Now let's begin by taking a deep breath in and releasing it with a sigh. And we begin. Even though I struggle to love my body as it is, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. Even though I've judged, criticized, or disconnected from my body, I honor how I've been coping, and I'm open to healing this now. Even though part of me believes my body needs to change to be worthy, I choose to soften towards myself and begin again with compassion. And I deeply and completely love, accept, and forgive myself. I've been hard on my body. I notice everything I don't like. I compare my body to others. I judge how it looks or feels. I've learned to see my body as a problem. And I feel disconnected from it. I've carried shame about my body. And that hurts. Take a deep breath in. My body has carried so much. It's held stress, emotions, and memories. It's been through changes and challenges. It's adapted to keep me safe. Even when I didn't treat it kindly. Even when I ignored its needs. My body has always been on my side. I honor that now. Take a deep breath in and let go with a sigh. I've released the belief that my body is not enough. I let go of unrealistic standards. I release the pressure to look a certain way. I let go of shame that isn't mine to carry. I've released the idea that my worth is tied to my appearance. I do not need to punish my body anymore. I choose gentleness instead of control. I am allowed to feel at peace in my body. Take a deep breath in. I'm sorry for the times I criticized my body. Please forgive me for not listening to its needs. I'm sorry for the harsh words I directed at myself. Please forgive me for treating my body as the enemy. Thank you for carrying me through everything. Thank you for protecting me in the ways you could. I love you for your strength and resilience. I love you for never giving up on me. Take a deep breath in. I begin to listen to my body. I notice what it needs. I notice how it supports me. My body communicates with me every day. I don't have to fight it. I don't have to control it. I can work with my body, not against it. And I'm learning to trust it again. Take a deep breath in. I choose to speak kindly to my body. I choose patience over criticism. My body deserves respect. My body deserves care. I can thank my body for what it does for me. I don't need to love every part instantly. I just need to stop attacking myself. And that's enough for today. Take a deep breath in. My body breathes for me. It carries me through my life. It allows me to feel, move, and experience. It has kept me alive. It has healed itself many times. It is wise and intelligent. I honor everything my body has done. I acknowledge its strength. Take a deep breath in. I choose peace with my body. I choose respect over rejection. I choose to care for my body with love. I'm learning to feel safe in my body. I don't abandon my body anymore. I stand for myself now. My body and I are on the same team. And I choose love. Take a final deep breath in and release it with a sigh. Now, beautiful soul, gently check in again with yourself. On that same scale, where are you now from 0 to 10? Notice any shift, even a small one, that matters. You may want to return to this session a few times to deepen the healing. I even recommend doing it 21 days in a row. Your relationship with your body can change gently and safely over time. If you like weekly energy healing and tapping support, you can join Reiki Renewal Rising, my membership. The link is tagged up here and it's also in the comments and description below. You're also invited to download my free ebook, A Guide to Overcoming Anxiety, Stress and Burnout. It's also linked in the description. Until next time, beautiful soul, I'm sending you so much love and light. Be kind to yourself.